This is definitely one of the craziest things I've ever cooked, but it is so insanely good. A hot dog fondue, perfect for a party or a date night, and I'm going to show you how we cook it right now. First thing we need to do is make a gooey cheese sauce. So take a Dutch oven or a frying pan and pop that onto a medium heat. Chuck in about a tablespoon of unsalted butter. Once the butter starts to melt, chuck in a tablespoon of plain flour. Cook out the flour for about 2-3 minutes and it will slowly start to form a paste. Once you have a thick sticky paste, very slowly start incorporating some full fat milk. So pour in a few tablespoons at a time, give it a good mix through and just keep going slowly. And after a few minutes, after you've added enough milk, you'll end up with a beautiful, thick, rich, creamy sauce. This is our bechamel, the base of our cheese sauce. Season the bechamel with some salt. Next, take some extra mature cheddar cheese. And you want to grate a good couple of handfuls of the cheddar. Once you have a good couple of handfuls of your cheddar cheese, chuck that into the white sauce. Next, we need some parmesan. Grate another good handful of your parmesan into a bowl, and we also want to chuck that into our cheese sauce. Also, we need some Dijon mustard, so chuck in a teaspoon or 2 of your Dijon. Once your cheese is in, give it a really good stir through and melt the cheese into the bechamel sauce. After a couple of minutes, check the thickness of the sauce. We want it to be nice and thick and oozy, but not too thick, as we're going to be dipping the hot dogs in the fondue. So add a touch more milk if you need to thin it out a bit, or any more cheese if you want it a bit thicker. Next, we want to make the hot dogs. So pop your cheese sauce to one side for a minute or two, and you want to take a small saucepan, fill it with boiling water and reduce it to a simmer. Once the water is simmering away, drop in a couple of hot dogs. These will literally take 2 or 3 minutes to gently cook. Don't let them come up to a boil. After a couple of minutes, take those out and pop them on a plate. And then you want to pop your hot dogs into your hot dog buns, and then very quickly return your cheese sauce to the heat, get that up to temperature, and then pour the gooey, thick, rich cheese sauce into a bowl. And all that's left to do is to dunk your hot dogs into the fondue and enjoy. You definitely want to give this one a try at your next party. So get in the kitchen, get cooking, and enjoy. See you next time.